Do you like mayonnaise, Tone?
I like mayonnaise.
So you would try it.
I would get the vegan mayonnaise and put it in the greens. Man,
Oh, my
forget
God.
y'all, man. Fuck y'all. First of all,
Stanley
I can cuss
Hamilton,
y'all out.
James Wallace, and Delonda Barr. Y'all come on up, man. Y'all put y'all church fingers up.
I'm gonna try it.
Mayonnaise and greens is diabolical.
know.
And this is from a person who likes
I
pumpkin
like
pie.
cheese on the donut.
Cheese on a donut?
Cheese on a glazed donut is fire. It sounds crazy. It sounds crazy.
Melted cheese?
But it's good. No, just a slice of cheese on a glazed donut.
Like a Kraft single?
That shit is good. If you ain't had it, shut the fuck up.
Do you like the sweet and salty?